Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I was just about to vacuum the car, and I was just doing some random stuff before I vacuumed the car, and guess what I found? Since I was looking in the ditch, I don't know why, but I found many stuff in the ditch over here. The ditch. And guess what I found? It's not a dandelion. It's not the things you blow. It's a feather. But guess what? It won't come off. So, is it just me or am I thinking... Wait, where is it? Is it just me or am I thinking the birds are made from plants? Because this is a feather, a literal feather. It's a line through it and everything. And it's fluffy here. So, yeah, I think birds are made from plants. And then, oh, there's more. See, this is my evidence. Oh, they just went on my hand. See, I just picked those up. They're feathers. I never knew birds were made from plants. This is for the FBI. This is for the FBI, so they know that birds don't come from eggs anymore. Oh yeah, some ASMR from the ground here. You're welcome. Now goodbye. And say hi to the FBI.